Introducing the Narwal Freo Pro. This high-performance yet budget-friendly robot vacuum boasts an impressive 8,500 Pascal suction power, the highest in its price range. What sets it apart is its upgraded dual tangle-free brushes, designed to effectively eliminate long hair entanglement. Additionally, the Freo Pro features DirtSense technology for intelligent remopping until every spot is spotless, a self-contained dust processing system with dust compression, an all-in-one station for automatic mop washing and drying, a noise reduction design, advanced obstacle avoidance sensors, and app enhancements for extended battery life and customizable cleaning zones. A big thank you to Narwal for sponsoring this video. Click the link in the description to learn more. The Narwal Freo Pro stands out with its powerful 8,500 Pascal hyper suction, the highest in its price range compared to the Roborock Freo Pro and Freo S, Dreamy L10S Ultra, and Ecovacs T20 Omni. It delivers exceptional cleaning performance on floors, carpets, and rugs. Unlike its competitors, it features the industry-first U-pipe high-efficiency airflow system, which boosts fan efficiency by 30%, ensuring a continuous high-speed flow and instant debris collection without clogs. Whether it's chip crumbs or pet food, the Freo Pro handles them effortlessly. On carpets, it applies matrix pattern cleaning, while simultaneously increasing suction power and lifting the mop to ensure thorough coverage and prevent secondary contamination. What truly sets the Narwal Freo Pro apart is its effortless ability to handle long hairs thanks to its upgraded dual tangle-free system, saving female users from the hassle of constant maintenance. Narwal's revolutionary zero tangling roller brush has already earned market recognition and SGS certification with a verified 0% hair tangling rate. Taking it a step further, the Freo Pro now features dynamic side brushes, achieving a fully tangle-free experience. Typically, when side brushes collect tangled hair, it becomes taut and wraps around the brush arms. To solve this, the Freo Pro's innovative side brush structure automatically reverses, causing the bristles to merge and reducing tension on the brush arms. This process loosens the hair, allowing it to slip off easily. As the side brushes rotate near the roller brush, the airflow directs the loosened strands towards the zero tangling roller brush, where they are efficiently pulled into the dustbin completely tangle-free. This intelligent design not only minimizes hair wrapping and simplifies brush maintenance, but also extends the lifespan of components, ensuring long-term durability and hassle-free cleaning. Beyond vacuuming, the Narwal Freo Pro excels in mopping with its cutting-edge DirtSense technology. This feature allows the robot to analyze the level of dirt on the mop and intelligently determine whether additional cleaning cycles are necessary, repeating up to 6 times for optimal results. The mopping system is designed to mimic human hand movements, applying 2.56 pounds of downward pressure and scrubbing floors effectively to remove stains and spills that other robotic mops might miss. Additionally, its 4-layer mopping pads enhance water absorption and stain removal, ensuring a spotless finish on hard floors. Another key advantage of the Narwal Freo Pro is its edge swing feature, which allows it to clean corners and edges more effectively than many other robotic vacuums. Traditional robot vacuums often struggle to reach tight spaces, but the Freo Pro's edge swinging function ensures no area is left untouched. Moreover, the device is engineered for efficiency, intelligently adjusting its mop washing frequency based on real-time cleaning requirements, thereby maximizing cleaning effectiveness. Its self-maintenance system automatically washes and dries the mop after use, preventing the buildup of bacteria and odors. This ensures that the mop is always fresh and ready for the next cleaning cycle, eliminating the need for manual washing. Additionally, it has a self-contained dust processing system that features a 1-liter disposable dust bag with filter that can last up to 7 weeks thanks to its dust compression tech. SGS has also certified this as higher than 99% filtration efficiency. It also has a library quiet operation at only 55 decibels for households that value a peaceful environment, allowing it to clean efficiently without causing disruptions. There are also app upgrades for the Freo Pro that enhance efficiency and convenience with features like off-peak charging, which prevents overcharging to extend battery life, and a scheduled cleaning calendar for tailored, timely cleaning plans. The intelligent adaptive system adjusts mop dampness based on humidity, while setting forbidden zones restricts robot access to specific areas. Users can also remotely control the robot anytime via the mobile app, ensuring a personalized and refined cleaning experience. All these features make the Narwal Freo Pro an outstanding investment for those seeking a top-tier cleaning solution at a competitive price. If you have a wife or daughter, or if you're a woman dealing with hair shedding, this is the perfect choice to keep your home effortlessly clean. From March 14th to March 23rd, signing up on the Narwal official website gives you a chance to win one for free. The Freo Pro will be available for purchase on Amazon and the Narwal website for just $5.99. Don't miss this opportunity to bring home the ultimate cleaning companion.